Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to HelpCrunch. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other services. For example, in HelpCrunch you can create new contacts and interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select a data source system. In this case, choose Google Lead Form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form. In this case, select HelpCrunch, Create Contacts. At this stage, we need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. This is the URL where new data from the Google Lead Form will come. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your personal account Google Ads. Next, go to the Ads Assets section. Section Assets and select Lead Form. Now you need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. Next, find the Item Other Data Integration options. Paste the copied URL from the Save My Leads system. Copy the last part of the URL and paste it into the key field. Now you need to generate a send of new data to this URL. For this, click Send Test Data. After successful sending, we save the settings and return to the personal account Save My Leads. At this stage you need to connect your HelpCrunch account to the Save My Leads system. In this window you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your HelpCrunch personal account. Next, go to Settings. Developers. Public API. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next you see HelpCrunch fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Google Lead Form to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to HelpCrunch in the form of new contacts for each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to HelpCrunch. After successful submission, go to HelpCrunch and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from Google Lead Form to be instantly transferred to HelpCrunch as new contacts, you need to enable Auto Update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.